Warm and fresh South Indian breakfast is a big hit here in Pune, especially in Baner.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel. My name is Gavin.
I'm Adrian.
It's been some time since we had soft idlis drenched in ghee, crispy dosas, parothas, and filter coffee.
Shaktikant, my buddy at work, who is all the way from Tamil Nadu in South India, had suggested a restaurant and I immediately made plans for the weekend.
Hi Gavin, recently I have visited to a restaurant named Upso, which is located in Bane. The food was marvelous and damn sure you will love that food. Go and visit one time.
If you are driving from Pune University, take the main Bane road that heads towards D-Mart. You'll pass by these iconic names in Pune. Keep heading straight, ignore all the distractions on the way. Take this right, continue straight on this little road, and just before Russell Nest, you'll see Up South Bane Road.
Guys, now let's step inside this beautiful place. So, at the entrance, they have these lovely looking flowers, and that's what caught our attention. So, if you know the name of this flower, guys, please leave it in the comments. If you see here, they are everywhere. So, they have placed that at the entrance, and look at this, guys. They even have this weaver birds nest here. I'm not sure if it's the real one, but the ambience here is fantastic. If you have a look at this, they have even placed a board here which tells you the specials of today. And look at these beautiful looking plants here. So if you can see here, they have a huge space here. So they have some paintings on the wall, around 8 tables here, and here on the left as well they have some tables. So guys, if you are here, you can expect a very airy sort of an ambience, just like how we are experiencing here. We found a beautiful spot here and Adrian is right here with me. So guys, once you are here, you will totally love the ambience of this place. It's so colorful and so airy, and on a beautiful morning like this, especially during the morning, the weather is so good and you're fresh, and when you are in a place where it is airy and the ambience altogether is fresh, there is nothing better than this feeling. Well guys, as usual, we have special access in the kitchen, and this young man here, he's put ghee in this podi idli. So he's preparing the podi idli and is there with all this lovely chutney here. Look at the amount of ghee that goes in the podi idli. So guys, if you are here and if you love ghee, if you're someone like me, you're going to enjoy this place. And look at this, guys. This I think is called the tate. ये tate idli है ना? Tate idli, yeah. So the difference between this idli and the other idlis are the thickness. So look at how big this idli is, and it's quite thick. और ये क्या है? पोड़ी चटनी है ना? कौन सा? Gun powder. हाँ, gun powder. Okay. Wow, guys. So look at how much is happening here in the kitchen, and let me slowly take you on this side because these guys are getting busy as there are customers that are coming. And look at this gentleman here, he is preparing the dosa. So if you have a look at it, he shaped it in this cone shape, and this is the ghee roast dosa. आपका नाम क्या है? Sanjay. So Mr. Sanjay, he is a master at his work here, guys. While I was shooting, I saw him make so many different things. Look at this. There is idli here, and there is even parotha here. So guys, check this out in the background. How many staff they have here. I'm not going to disturb them. Let me go outside and place my order. Well guys, we have the menu right here in front of us, and it's a very simple menu. It's laminated on this paper right here. Okay, so let's start off from this side. So if you see here, obviously this is a South Indian restaurant. So idli, vada, uttappam, and then rice puri, parotha, and the dosa. This has to be there on the menu. So you can pause the video. Let me give you a better view. You can pause the video and check all the rates of all the dishes right here. And guess what? Apart from the dosas, they even have pav bhaji sandwich, combo meals, dessert and beverages. We have here Mr. Rajan. He is the manager here. Hi, Mr. Rajan. So thank you so much for giving us this wonderful service, and look at the number of things that we have on our table here. So obviously it's not possible for me to tell you the name of each and every dish, so Mr. Rajan is going to do that for us. So Mr. Rajan, ये क्या है यहाँ पे?
This is called as Malbari Paratha sandwich.
Malbari paratha sandwich. Okay.
Kerala paratha with curry.
Kerala paratha with
Curry.
curry. Okay. And what is this?
Butter podi set dosa.
Butter podi set dosa. This one I know. This is filter
Filter
coffee.
coffee, yeah.
And this is the
Onion
onion
rava
rava
masala
masala dosa. And this one
Tate ghee podi idli.
tate ghee podi idli. And this is the
Ghee roast masala dosa.
ghee roast masala dosa. And this is the
Ghee mini podi idli.
ghee mini podi. Thank you so much, Mr. Rajan, for explaining everything to us. And guys, in case if you are in a big group, you can have your kitty party here. Women's Day was recently, so if you have events like that, you can come here and celebrate. Even birthdays can be celebrated as well. So I'll leave a number in the video and you can contact them. So Mr. Rajan is very busy right now because there are a lot of guests here. So thank you so much. I won't take much of your time. So if you have a look here, guys, in a flash, this place has got so crowded. Just look at this. Just look at the number of tables that have been occupied. There are people there. Look at the number of items that we have here. So guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. And what do I start with? So this looks very interesting. Let me break this apart. So this is a lovely dosa, guys, and let me open this up for you. So if you have a look, it is huge. Okay, let me break this and show you guys what it is. So it's very crispy, and let's go for the chutney. So this is the podi chutney for sure, and this is the coconut chutney. Let's mix all of this and the sambar as well. Wow. You know, we've been shooting here for a while. Despite that, the dosa is crispy. So guys, awesome. I wasn't expecting that. And let's try the potato bhaji. Amazing potato bhaji. Lots of flavor in it. Okay, so we are done with this. I have to be quick with this because we have a lot of items, guys. And this here is the rava dosa. So the chutney and the sambar here remains the same. It's just that the dosa is changed. So Mr. Rajan told me it takes a long time for them to cook this because it has onions in it. Let's go for this. Wow. I can get all the lovely fried onion flavors and the rava obviously. Even this one is still crispy, a bit spicy. It gives you that little kick later. And wow, I want to have more of this. 2 down, guys. 6 more to go. Okay. What do we have here? We have the parotha and the curry. So all of this is veg. This is parotha. In the south, as my friend Shaktikan told me, it's called parotha. So I'll try my level best to pronounce it as parotha. And this is some gravy here. Let's try this. Wow. This curry is really very nice. It's made from beans, carrots. It has very good flavor, guys. Something very different. I haven't tasted something like this before. We have pickle. And what's this? This is some parotha sandwich. So let's check what's there inside the sandwich. So if you see here, this looks like an aloo patty. And it has the cabbage and all the lovely masalas. So let's grab a bite of this. This also is very good. Crispy inside, good flavors, and I can taste all these bits and pieces of spices. Very nice flavor, guys. And this is made from potato. So far, everything has been great. Now let's head over to this side. This is the tate idli along with the podi powder on it. Wow. Amazing flavor, guys. Really amazing flavor. I wasn't expecting this taste. And this here is with the ghee. So as you can see here, the texture of the ghee is very, very prominent. Let's try this with the ghee. Very soft. This one is a bit thicker, but this one is very, very soft. Rest of the chutneys remain the same. Now, this is one of our best. This is the mini podi idli. Adrian loves this. And if you see here, it's dressed with a lot of curry leaves, a lot of ghee. So let's taste this. I can taste all the lovely Nandini ghee that they use. Guys, everything right here is just too good. It has exceeded our expectations. And guys, that's the reason why there are so many people that have gathered here. Okay, now let's go for this juice. I know I'm mixing a lot of things, but I have to do this for you guys. This is so refreshing. And it's a bit fizzy as well. Oh come, it's light. And should I have filter coffee? I'm not supposed to, but I'll do it for you guys. Okay, so look at the froth on this thing. Wow, amazing. Let's take a sip of this. Oh yeah, perfect. The froth first, then the strong filter coffee. It's a bit sweet, you can add sugar to it, but I like it that way. So guys, that was our review of all the lovely items that you get here in Up South Baner. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so, because we take you to all the best places here in Pune. So guys, until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.